Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live Class. So today in this video, we are going to see an assignment on what books and burials tell us. Are you ready guys? Now let's start our assignment with the first question. Which is the oldest Veda among the four Vedas? So first of all, four Vedas, what tell me children? Yeah, here is third question also is there. So name the four Vedas. What is that? Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, Antarveda. Okay. So these are the four Vedas. Now they are asking what here? Which is the oldest among these? So obviously it is Rig Veda. Okay children. Now let's take second question here. In which language Rig Veda was written? Rig Veda was written in the Sanskrit language. I will show you this language, see here. So this is the Sanskrit language. So like this only all Vedas are written. Is it clear children? So this is Sanskrit language. Now let's come to the assignment here. Third question. Name the four Vedas. Yeah, just now we discussed four Vedas. Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Antarveda. Now let's take fourth question. Name the three Vedic gods who were considered as especially important. See here, first one is Agni, means is a god of fire. Next, second one is Indra, a warrior god. And the third one is Soma, a plant from which a special drink was prepared. Now let's take fifth question. When were Vedas composed? So Vedas are composed 3500 years back children. Okay. Now let's take sixth question here. Who composed hymns? Hymns means like songs, okay, or any mantras like that. So who composed hymns? Hymns were composed by sages who were called Rishi. I will show you, see here. So like this Rishis, or have you seen this image? See, so we call them as sages or Rishis. Okay children. Now come to the assignment. Seventh question. Who taught to the students in Vedic age? So priests taught to the students in a Vedic age. Like how teachers nowadays we are teaching you, right, students, in a Vedic age. So priests taught to students. Now let's come to the eighth question. Under which family Sanskrit and Hindi languages will come? The answer is Indo-European family. Now let's take ninth question. Which family do Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam belong? The answer is Dravidian family. Now 10th question is here. When was Rig Veda written and printed? Answer is 200 years ago. Now 11th question here is. Which rivers were worshipped as goddess? The answer is River Beas, River Sutlej worshipped as goddess. Do you know what is this Beas and Sutlej children? So these are the tributaries of Indus River. Do you know about Indus River? Yeah. So these Beas and Sutlej are tributaries of Indus River. Now let's take 12th question here. The languages which were used in northeastern states belong to which family? The answer is Tibeto-Burman family. Okay children. Now let's take 13th question is here. The languages which were spoken in Jharkhand and in parts of central India belongs to which family? The answer is Austro-Asiatic family. Now the last question children, 14th question. Rig Veda was dash and dash rather than read. That means resided and heard. That means by return. So Rig Veda was recited and heard rather than the read. So these are the 14 questions related this assignment children. I hope you are clear with these answers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Now signing off.